Alright, here's the GTI, a nice new seat, and waiting on parts still, so I'm going to take this out of the garage, sitting on the trailer right now, and I'm going to try and put the XP on that dolly I have over here. So the XP is relying on the dirt, or the grass outside, and it's been raining, so I'm going to see if I can drag it up to the front of this door and lift it onto that cart. So we'll see how that goes. Help from my dad, and we got in here. So, sitting on the cart. The board fell off, but it's alright. It's not going nowhere. So this thing here needs a new exhaust manifold, because the one on the ski, someone stripped these threads in here and put some like hex bolts when they're supposed to be Allen. And this one's supposed to be a stud, and they took the stud out and put a bolt in there, and it was leaking water because it wasn't tight. So I stole the stud from this one. This is off the GTX. Put it in there, and then realized it was stripped out. So I need to take this whole thing off of this ski, and then take the stud and put it back into this manifold. As you can see. As you can see right here, the stud's right here. So this pipe has to come off, and then I have to take the manifold off. And then the carb also needs some adjusting too. So let's get to taking it apart. Got this hose there. I got this stuff. So I need a 6mm Allen, I believe, and then I need a 1/2 inch. I gotta take the hose clamp off down there, and then this pipe should come free. Alright, now it's just like 6 or 8, I think it's 8 Allens. Oh, what size are they? Oh, they're 6. Okay, all the bolts are off. Oh, down she goes. I do have a hose that's attached on the bottom of it. Alright, let's compare these two. This is off a 94 GTX 657, and this is off of my 95 717 XP. So, this one's got bad holes, which I'll also test to make sure these are all good. But just comparing them side by side to make sure they're the same. And actually, now that I look at it, serial numbers read 6978 347, and this is 6978 348. So they're almost identical. Pretty sure there's nothing different about these exhaust manifolds. Alright, I actually had to heat this up to get the stud out. Probably because corrosion. I'm lazy. I don't feel like cleaning it. So I'm just going to heat it up again to install it. Plus, that way I make sure the stud's not coming out of there, because I don't plan to take it out ever again. And you shouldn't have to, so. I did go ahead and test all these holes with a bolt, and they are all very clean. The bolt goes in and out of them very easily compared to this one. The stud threads are messed up. This one has a bunch of junk in it, so the bolt wouldn't go all the way down, and these two are okay, but these two are messed up. So this is still good. I could drill these out and rethread them or helicoil them. So I might do that and sell it for parts or keep it as a spare. But there's nothing much wrong with this besides those. And I would just reuse it, but instead I have a perfectly good one right here. So, alright, let's put gasket sealer on this intake, along with down here. So we're out here on the water, got the ski in. It's a nice day. It's about 66 degrees, sunny, and she's running all right, but she's got a bog. She's got a hesitation, so that needs to be tuned out, but let's see how she runs. Probably gonna need 2 hands. So you'll see what I mean with the bog. I'll go to floor it and she'll bog down and stall. Sometimes she doesn't stall, but if I feather it a little bit, she'll go up. So it needs the low idle screw to be adjusted, and then the high idle screw seems to be okay where it is right now, because high RPM range seems to be doing really well. It revs properly in the higher RPM range. Just the beginning, and it idles, but it has a little bit of a high idle. So things to work out.